Hi guys, welcome back to the VideoProc Vloggers channel. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to create a fashion intro. If you want to make this type of video, keep watching the video. And without further ado, let's get started. Launch a software. Create a new project. Import prepared materials into the software. First, we drag this image onto the video track. Adjust its duration a little bit. Then, find the motion icon in the toolbar. Click on it to enter the motion editor panel. Click Add keyframe on the first frame here. Then, adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Move the playhead to the last frame and click Add keyframe again. Adjust the box to only select the middle part of the frame. Preview the effect. If satisfied, click Apply to apply it. Drag the music into the audio track. Add its length. Use the shortcut key M to mark these key points. It will make it easier to make the scenes appear in sequence later. Finally, add a fade out effect in the inspector. This completes the first part of the editing. Now, we find this icon. Click on it to add several overlay tracks. Then, go to the preview window, find Show Rulers, and open it. Since I want to divide the screen into 4 parts, we click Add Vertical Guide. Move the mouse to the canvas and draw guides one by one. After that, we drag all 4 videos onto the video track. Then, drag one video to the overlay track to align with the first marker. Adjust its duration. If the duration of the runway scene is not long enough, we can come to the inspector. Find the Play Speed property area. Click the Custom button to customize the slow speed. Then, find the crop icon in the toolbar. Click on it to enter the crop editor panel. Select a vertical aspect ratio directly here. Adjust the box to fit the model on the runway. After that, we click Apply to return to the main interface. Now, find the Show or Hide Layering Tank button below the preview window. Click on it to adjust the position of the scene to align with the guide. Drag the second video to the empty overlay track when satisfied. Adjust the start time to align with the second marker. Adjust the end time to align with the previous video. Similarly, click the crop icon to crop the scene. Use the same aspect ratio to quickly complete it. Close the guide display by clicking the eye icon above the preview window. Now, let's see the corner effect. First, we drag a video onto an empty overlay track. Adjust its duration. Then, use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste it on the next overlay track. Click to select the first video. In the inspector, find Transform area. Drag the scale slider to enlarge the scene. Then scroll down to the Image Blurring and Smoothing property area. Check Enable Image Denoising. Adjust the deviation, coefficient, and edge threshold parameters. Select the other video. In the inspector, click Hide to fit it to the screen. Then click the crop icon to crop it. This time, choose a 3:4 aspect ratio. Adjust the box position. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Now you have this effect. Continue using the same method to edit another segment with this effect. The difference is that I will color grade this material first. Find the color icon in the toolbar. Click on it, enter the color and filter editor panel. Adjust the exposure in the custom property area on the right. Then increase the contrast and the saturation. This will make the scene more textured. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Then we quickly complete the remaining edits. Finally, we add another video to fill the end of the music. And that's it. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, don't forget to follow us. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you soon. Bye bye!